Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Strange times that we're in at the moment, I know. This is just a video to show you what I actually got up to in the lockdown. So sometime I've had a macro lens. I haven't really got around to using it as much as I'd like to. Bought this some time ago when I was doing wedding photography. I only really used it for like ring shots and stuff like that, so never really got the use that it was supposed to get. So I thought I'd get it out, dust it off, and give macro photography a little bit of a blast. I'm not going to do a video showing you like how I got the shots, because everybody's doing that at the moment. I'll just show you like the shots that I got. This is more of a, remember when you were kids and you had to write an essay on what you got up to in the school holidays? This is more of one of those kind of a video. Yeah, so this is what I got up to in my school holiday stroke lockdown self-isolation. We got through quite a lot of these in the lockdown, so they're quite good. Macro, shake them up and you see the bubbles rising. That's quite a good effect. I'll show you some of them now. Late father has got a coin collection, so I've got some really good macro images of his coins. I've never really done macro photography before, so you know, I might be doing it all wrong. I got a bowl full of water, and I put my tablet underneath with images on the back of it, filled it full of water, and then dropped some oil drops into the water, and this is what they look like. What else did I do? Dandelions. Yeah, I've wanted to do dandelion photography for a long time. I've seen lots of videos on YouTube, people a lot better than me showing you how to do these dandelion photos, so I thought I'd give it a go. Yeah, and these are the, this is how they came out. As you can see from behind me, I put up a bird feeder and got some good videos of the birds coming into the garden feeding. Now, also, what else? Oh yeah, so I got a CD and I put some water droplets on and then shone a light on them, and this is how they came out. Yep, so that's what I got up to in my lockdown. Before we was all told to stay in and quarantine, I did have 2 videos on the go. When we went up to the lanterns at Chester Zoo, I shot some footage of there, so I've got to go back up to Chester Zoo and shoot another part of that, and that will be finished. That looks quite good. Also, I've done half a video on Dudley Zoo again, since they've had a bit of a money spent on it, and they've got a couple more animals there. So look forward to those 2 videos coming out in the not too distant future. If anyone's got any suggestions, please leave the comments down below. Always on the lookout for new places to go and photograph and do videos for you guys. Yeah, so that's about it. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button down below, and until next time, stay safe. And I think we're nearly almost through this, so see you soon.